night, the fake person. Kip looked closely at this new friend. You are right, Bert, he said, but she's still my friend. No, she's our friend, Bert said. Just then they hear a voice. I lost Ashley, cried a girl. Don't worry, said her mom. We find Ashley. I wonder who is Ashley is, said Bert. It that Ashley is lost, said Kip. It's as it sure is, said Bert. I hope they find Ashley, cried the girl. The girl came running over. She's going to take our friend, cried Kip. Kip, wait, said Bert. I found Ashley, Mom, called the girl. The fake person is Ashley, said Bert. Oh well, said Kip. It's sad that we lost our fake friends. I like real friends better anyway, said Bert. Me too, said Kip. Let's play hide and seek.